Hey, welcome to my site. I'm Rod, Far North Queensland, Australia. And if you join me now, I'm sure you're on a sustainable food quest, and I can surely help you with that. Look, food security is a global challenge, and it's been highlighted during this pandemic that we really do need to know how to look after ourselves. We can't just rely on the supermarkets, because I don't know about you, but my local supermarket ran out of food. The shelves were just empty. And during this global pandemic, it did cause a lot of businesses to go out of business. So, look, I'm sure the government did the best they can, but wouldn't it be great if we didn't have to rely on the government to make such decisions to lock us down? And wouldn't it be great if we just went outside and could pick whatever we needed to eat for that day? Through this educational platform, you can learn everything you need to learn about how to grow your food sustainably. I'm going to prove to you how you can grow more food in half the time with less effort. Would that be nice? My way of gardening isn't complicated. It's not expensive, and there's no digging, and there's no lifting, there's no back-breaking work. It's called Aquaponics, and it's a brilliant concept, a very sustainable system that produces two crops. So firstly, you've got your fresh organic vegetables, non-stop vegetable production, and secondly, you've got a protein source of fish. And it's all using recycled materials. It's all at table height, as I mentioned, and it's just you're processing the nutrient around, you're using the fish waste as a nutrient for your plants to uptake. So it is a perfect cycle, a loop system, and really does reduce the water that you need as well. Look, I haven't had an easy life. In the past, I've had all sorts of back injuries and left ankle injury, ligaments. Doctor said I'd never walk again. Look, I won't bore you with all those details. Well, I mention that because I've had to change my mindset. I've had to do things differently to most people. So whatever I do has to add to my life, not subtract from it. And I'm all about the people and the planet as well. So it has to be good for the environment, and it has to add to other people's lives as well. And I really have succeeded. I've gone on to succeed more than my wildest dreams, actually. I've set up churches, I've set up schools, I've built bridges, I've managed huge projects and teams and contractors. But more than that, I've set up sustainable living projects to build communities, to empower communities, to change livelihoods, and I'm really pleased and I'm really proud of that. I don't say this to impress you, but just to impress upon you that I do have the skill set to help you develop your own skills so that you too can grow your own vegetable gardens at home. I've achieved more than I've ever thought possible in my lifetime. I've even been honoured by the Queen of England with an Order of the British Empire for my work in the development field in Papua New Guinea, and also the conservation field, setting up protected areas. It's more than I could ever dream of. It's a legacy that I am leaving for my kids to follow, and that makes me really proud. And that's why I'm so excited to lead you on this food revolution, this aquaponics journey. I've proved it works over and over and over. I've made all the mistakes, expensive, costly mistakes, and now I put it online so that you too won't miss out. So just click that link below, and don't even worry about the money side of it. If after a couple of days that you think it's not for you, that's okay. I'll give you your money back. I don't want money to be a problem. But just as I've served tens of thousands of other people, I'd really like that chance to be able to serve you too, so that you can grow your own food as well. So you're not relying on the big stores. So click that link below, and I'll see you on the inside.